she is, boys. Got her all loaded up. Rambo putting in extra work, a little bit of overtime today. Time to head back home, boys. Time to head back home. Yeah, so she's running great, guys. Just making a little lap right quick before taking it back, but I had to check the tire pressure on the other side. That one was a little bit low. Had 15 pounds in it, so I ended up going on and putting 36 in the back. because I almost wrecked it a while ago when I was going around that sharp corner at the back. So I'm just gonna fill it back up. I already put 36 in both front tires, so they're good. I might go ahead and check this tire just to be sure that's fine, but everything else is squared away, and she seems to be running really good, so no complaints there. Just out taking her for a little cruise, trying to make sure everything is checking out. Air fuels look great. Air fuels are looking great. No problems there. So yeah, we should be good to go. Alright, so back home now. I don't know if this has to be bird shit with blood in it. I don't fucking know, but dang, they hit me twice when we first left the house earlier. But anyway, we're back home now, and I'm just sitting here letting it idle, and you can see the air fuels are plenty rich. Nice, 11, 12. That's where they should be, I think. With the headlights on, it goes up to 12.5. Press the brake, you know, 12.6, 12.7 at the most. That's where she needs to be at. That's pretty smooth. No pops or anything anymore. Guys, now the issue is, and it's probably something simple. I'm calling this video the turbo car's fix because it's got to be something real minor, and I got one easy way I'm gonna test that coming up really soon, but I'm probably gonna do that all in like a update sort of thing. I'm not gonna make a whole video on it, but the issue is when I'm coming to a stop sign and I'm slowing down, you know, at a reasonable rate of speed, like I'm not slowing down for a mile, but like, you know, you come up to a stop sign and you kind of slow down sort of, you know, increasingly fast, the car will die completely. Like, it will completely lean out and die. And then once I'm at the stop sign or whatever, if I hit the start button, it'll fire right back up and runs fine. And during pulls, it does fine. It goes to like 11 something during a full like throttle, full boost pull. So it's not starving under load. It's just when I'm coming to a stop. I think it's got something to do with that sock I bought. I did buy like the one from O'Reilly's that's just like a regular sock, and it did look different than the one that came with the Walbro 450 pump. So I may have to try to source the actual sock for that pump, because I had the same issue before with the turbo car. When it get below a certain point in gas, when you're stopping, it would just like completely die out, like it was starving for fuel. So it might be that sock. What I think I want to do to test it is one day this week I am going to try to take the gas jug. I actually still got one out. Take the gas jug, get another jug of E85, bring it home, throw that in here, and then we'll take it around and see if it still does it, because I feel like one more jug of E would put us close to full tank, and I don't think we'll have that issue then. So if that solves it and it doesn't die upon stopping, then it's probably that freaking sock, because the sock had a slightly different orientation to it than the one that came with the 450. So I'm guessing it's just not sitting in the tank right, so it's probably getting a little shallow. The one that was in there was a little bit longer. This one isn't as long as the one that came with the 450, so it's probably that's probably the issue, but we're gonna do some testing on that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up, guys. Turbo car is back, and I think we finally got everything worked out. I want to give a huge shout out to J Mills Tuning. Y'all hit my boy up if you have any tuning needs. He does chipped ECUs, he does S300, he does K Pro, Flash, whatever, all of that stuff. He does GM stuff. He does a lot of different makes and models, so hit my guy up. Instagram is always in the description below, so check him out. And I will catch y'all next time. Remember, guys, respect all bills. Peace out.